Hi, hello students. Welcome to Indian Tech Guru for you. In this video, let us discuss about how to represent integer representation. As far as the computer is concerned, we need to represent integers. So generally, we have different representations like signed magnitude representation and ones complement representation, as well as twos complement representation. So as far as the integer number is positive is concerned, so whenever the integer is a positive number, so generally it is represented in the same way in all of the three different representations. For example, if I want to represent plus 14 and assume that I am using an 8-bit register to represent plus 14. So then how could I represent this plus 14? So what is the value of plus 14? We know the 8421 code. So 14 means 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 1110. So this is the 4-bit value for 14, 1110. However, because I am using an 8-bit register, the most significant bit is reserved for sign bit, and the remaining 7 bits are used for magnitude. So if we consider here, the value of plus 14 is 1110. The remaining 3 bits we must fill with zeros. And what is the sign bit? Sign bit is 0 for plus and 1 for minus. As we are representing plus 14, the sign bit will be 0. So now plus 14 is represented in signed magnitude, in ones complement, in twos complement, in this particular way as an 8-bit register. So however, to represent negative numbers, to represent negative integers, for example, if I want to represent minus 14, then it is different for signed magnitude representation, ones complement representation, as well as twos complement representation. So as far as the signed magnitude representation is concerned, minus 14 is represented just by changing the sign bit. So plus is represented with 0, minus is represented with 1. So in place of the sign bit, we are going to place 1. The magnitude is same, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Like this, minus 14 is represented in signed magnitude representation. So as far as the ones complement is concerned, we know how to find the ones complement of the given number. So as far as the ones complement and twos complement is concerned, we need to perform the complement operation including the sign bit. So the value of a plus 14 is this one. Now the ones complement will be change zeros as ones and ones as zeros. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the representation for minus 14 in ones complement. Here you may observe that the sign bit is 1. Similarly, as far as the twos complement is concerned, twos complement we can get in two different ways. Either add one value to the ones complement are moving from right to left. Whenever you encounter the first one, place the bits as usual and exchange the remaining bits. So I am going to follow the second process, that is, if you move from right to left, 0, 1, first one encountered. After first one encountered, remaining bits you have to exchange. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Like this we are going to derive the 2's complement representation of minus 14. Here also you can observe that the sign bit becomes 1. Like this we are going to represent plus 14 as well as minus 14 in all of the signed magnitude 1's complement, 2's complement representations. So however, for integer arithmetic, we always prefer 2's complement representation. So as far as the integers are concerned, integers in mathematics are concerned, so integers will start from minus infinity and so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if you observe here, there is minus 1 plus 1, minus 2 plus 2, minus 3 plus 3. However, there is no minus 0. Okay, minus 0 is not valid. 0 will be always positive. So if you consider the signed magnitude representation or 1's complement representation, so there are two representations for 0. You can represent a plus 0 as well as you can represent a minus 0 in case of signed magnitude as well as 1's complement representation. So for example, if you consider an 8-bit register, then in signed magnitude representation, so sign bit is 0 because we are going to represent plus 0 first. Sign bit is 0, and for the remaining 7 bits we are going to replace zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a representation of plus 0. So how could we represent minus 0? The sign bit for minus is 1 and the magnitude is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We are going to represent minus 0. Similarly, if you want to represent plus 0 and minus 0 using 1's complement representation, how could I represent 1's complement? So in 1's complement plus 0 means, so what is the plus 0 value? This one is the plus 0 value, and we have already discussed that the positive integers will be represented in the same way, let it be signed magnitude, 1's complement or 2's complement. So I am going to represent plus 0 as the same fashion as signed magnitude, that is 0 sign bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sign bit to magnitude. However, how could I represent minus 0? We need to find out the 1's complement. So what is the 1's complement of this entire value? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the representation. So that is why in case of signed magnitude, in case of 1's complement, there is plus 0 representation as well as minus 0 representation, which is actually invalid. We should not have plus 0 as well as minus 0. We should have only plus 0. So let us consider 2's complement. So as far as the 2's complement representation is concerned, first of all I want to represent plus 0, then it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If I want to represent minus 0, then the value of minus 0 will be same. So, as far as the 2's complement representation is concerned, if I want to convert this particular value into 2's complement, there is no 1 at all. So, that is why minus 0 will also represent plus 0. That is the specialty of the 2's complement representation. So, that is why we prefer 2's complement representation for integer arithmetic in case of computer system. Okay. So, that is the key, because why we are going to implement 2's complement representation for integer arithmetic. Okay. So, like this, whenever an integer number is given, we should be able to represent in both positive as well as negative. Accordingly, because 2's complement representation don't have minus 0 at all, we should prefer 2's complement representation for integer arithmetic. Hope you understand the logic. That's all for now.